For years, I've been telling you Siri is great for simple things. Set a timer, play a song, call your daughter. But the moment you ask it something a little harder, it was a mess. Well, Apple just made a very big announcement, and I think Siri is about to become something completely different. Something that might actually change how you use your iPhone every single day. Hi, my name is Rich and I make simple videos on how to use your iPhone and iPad. But today is not a how-to video, it's more of a show and tell video. Yesterday, Apple announced that a brand new Siri is coming this fall. However, if you have a developer account, which I do, you can download the beta immediately, which I did. And I was all jacked about testing out the new Siri and making this video, and here's what I got instead. I've been added to a wait list. What? Honestly, I feel like Charlie Brown and Lucy with the football. We've all been on a wait list for years. Anyway, setting aside this frustration, I still wanted to make this video if for no other reason than to give you the big picture. Apple has been promising a smarter Siri for the last 2 years. They announced it back in 2024, but it kept getting delayed. But here's the thing. Apple said they scrapped the old version entirely and rebuilt Siri from the ground up. And this time, Tim Cook himself said Siri would arrive on time in 2026. And sure enough, they showed it off at their big developer conference yesterday at Apple Park. And the biggest change? Siri and iOS 27 is powered by Google Gemini, one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. Apple had been working with ChatGPT, but now Apple has partnered with Google to power this new version of Siri. And the results really do look impressive. Let me tell you a few things this new Siri can do that the old one never could. And by the way, I'm just hitting a few highlights. This new Siri is really deep. First, it understands context. The new Siri can predict what you need and understand context across multiple apps. So instead of asking Siri one narrow question at a time, you can have a real back and forth conversation. You could say, find the email my doctor sent me last week about my appointment and add it to my calendar. And Siri will actually do that, all in one go. Second, it works across your apps. Apple announced cross-app context awareness. So Siri can work across your messages, mail, calendar, and more. And that means Siri knows what's in your life, your appointments, your conversations, your notes, and can help you connect the dots without you having to do all the hunting yourself. Third, there's a standalone Siri app. Siri is now housed in its own dedicated app, in addition to working across your existing apps. So if you want to have a longer conversation or ask Siri to help you write something, you can open the Siri app just like you'd open notes or messages. And that's a first. And here's something I love for those of you with a newer iPhone. Siri and iOS 27 will integrate with Dynamic Island, the pill-shaped area at the top of your screen on the iPhone 14 Pro and newer. Siri will always live there, always available, always watching for when you need it. Now, if you're like me, you have concerns about privacy. You don't want Apple, or especially Google, reading all your personal messages and emails. And that's a totally fair concern. And thankfully, Apple addressed it directly. Apple's head of software said at the announcement, "We believe that privacy and AI is non-negotiable and that data is only used to execute your request. Moreover, Apple will allow outside experts to verify that promise at any time." But more importantly, if I understand this correctly, a lot of these new Siri actions will take place on your iPhone only, no going out to the web. And if it does go to the web, it goes through Apple's private cloud compute system, which protects your privacy completely, even from Apple. Apple has always been strong on privacy compared to other tech companies, and the new Siri will come with app-by-app controls so you can monitor your history and disable Siri for specific apps whenever you want. I think that's a nice level of control. Now here's the important question. Will your iPhone get this new Siri? Here's what we know. If you have an iPhone 16 or iPhone 17, any model in those ranges, you should get full iOS 27 support with the new Siri, no features missing. If you have an older iPhone like the iPhone 15, you will get iOS 27, but with some AI features limited. And if you're on something older than that, you may get to update to iOS 27, but with no new Siri features. The bottom line, if you've been thinking about upgrading your iPhone, this fall might be a really good time. Okay, so should you be excited? I'll be honest with you. I always say wait and see with Apple promises. Apple announced a new Siri experience back in 2024, and 2 years later, here we are saying we really mean it this time. That skepticism is fair, at least to me. But here's what I think this time is different. They didn't just patch the old Siri, they rebuilt it completely. They brought in world-class AI technology from Google, and they showed it off publicly at their biggest event of the year. And that, to me, is a real commitment. When I'm finally off the wait list and do get access to the new Siri, I will do a full hands-on video showing you exactly how the new Siri works in real life. No tech jargon, just practical tips you can actually use. And if videos like that interest you, be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss anything. So that's the new Siri coming in iOS 27. Smarter, more conversational, works across all your apps with a brand new standalone Siri app and strong privacy controls. It's the upgrade we've been waiting for. If you have questions about the new Siri, be sure to drop them in the comments below. I try to read every single one. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.